Hi folks, do you want to make money like this? And what if I tell you you can make this money by doing only half an hour of work online? Thousands and thousands of people are making money online and you can make it too. The methods that I teach you on this channel doesn't require any skill. Most of the methods can be just copy pasted and you can start making money online. So without delay, let's get started with this new value packed video. Welcome back to another money making opportunity video on Money Spam. This is Abhi, your guide to making money online. So without delay, let's go to my screen and let's get started. If you are new to my channel, I highly recommend you to hit that like button, press that subscribe button and go and watch my first video which teaches you why affiliate marketing is one of the best way to make money online. Not only that, in this video we started talking about CPA marketing and why CPA marketing is even better because we don't have to sell a product to make money online. What CPA marketing lacks in a single transaction makes up in the volume and the conversion rate it goes through. So in this video, we will be doing affiliate marketing. So to start with, you need a product first, right? Now, the method I am going to teach you today is going to have no competition at all, almost nil competition at all, because the products that we are going to promote today won't be even live yet. So you see, you can start writing reviews about those products, you can start making reviews about those products, you can start answering questions for those products which are not even in the market. People don't even know about it. So think, you are going to promote a product that is not even live. So when the product goes live, what people will do? Suppose you need to purchase a product. How do you purchase it? You go to a website and you search for its reviews, right? Or what you will do? You will go to YouTube and you will ask for a demo or you will look at the demo. And based on that, you will decide if you want to purchase that product or not. As simple as that, folks, right? So first thing anybody does about a new product is they search for a review or they search for a demo. And that is exactly we are going to do in this. Now you will ask how you will know about an upcoming product which is not even live yet. That is where the magic happens, folks. We need to go to a website called munchai.com. So let me take you to munchai.com. See, this is munchai.com and it lists all the digital launches going to happen in next couple of months. You see, the blue side says big launches. These are all the creators which are big in marketplace or they have more money to spend on their product. Like I have promoted product from Cindy, I have promoted product from Simon, I have promoted product from Neil. And look at that, folks. This is going as much as till 31st December. But the blue products are little difficult to get into. So what you can do is you can start with the all launches. These products are little easier to get into, but in no way you are going to get less commissions. These products will be little less in sale value, or these products don't have a renowned creator at the back end. But you never know, right, which product is going to hit the market and skyrocket to roof. Nobody knows that. We just hope if creator is good, then the product should be good. But that is not always the case. So you can go with both the list. If you get approved in the blue list, it is even better. Else you can start with this white list and you need to open each one of them and then you need to go to JVZoo and you need to apply for account. All these products are mainly sitting on either Warrior Plus or they are sitting on JVZoo. So you need to get registered to both of these platforms. Now you will ask or you will face issues in getting approved for these platforms. In that case, you need to come and watch this my first video and you need to ensure you follow the step by step so that you can showcase that you are an established player in this market space. You need to present yourself good. Then only someone is going to let you promote their own product, because nobody wants to get attached to a spammer, right? So make sure you present yourself good. And how do you present yourself? By having a blog, by having a small website, by having, now it can be a paid one, it can be your own hosted one. I always advise you to have your at least one website to begin with, fill it with 10 or 15 proper articles, or you can even go to medium.com, or you can even go to blogger.com and create a small blog within it. You don't have to start with spending a lot of money, just start. So you go and get approved to JVZoo, you go and get approved to Warrior Plus, and you need to start promoting these products. So I'm in my JVZoo account now, and the product I'm going to show for the demo is called Doodle Maker. So I'm going to just click on get links, and this is the magic link, folks. This is complete magic link because this is the link that is going to get you money. And each time you make a sale, look at this, 50% commission out of it. So if the front end value for this product is $47, see, the average price is $47. You are going to get 50% out of it. That means $25 for each and every sale. And Doodle Maker is a very, very strong product. That is what I feel. It is very similar to VideoScribe, and VideoScribe is very, very famous in the market. So any competitor against VideoScribe is going to kill the market. So we are going to promote this, and as usual, whenever you promote a link, whenever you get an affiliate link, first you need to always shorten it. I cannot stress enough why shortening of a link is very important. So for shortening, I'm going to go to my favorite site called incisors.com, and I'm going to shorten this link. The reason I use incisors.com is because you can edit the link that you have shortened. So I'm just going to go there and I'm going to shorten my link. Now, as you see, I'm in my dashboard for incisors.com, and I'm going to paste my link here. And I'm going to click shorten. So I have the shortened link here. Let me just open a notepad and let me just save it. So this is my shortened link for Doodle Maker. Now this is completely free, folks, by the way. Incisors.com, if you scroll here, the cost for beginner is only $0 per month. So it is completely free, and you get up to 10,000 clicks per month, 25 URLs are allowed, and you can create splash pages. Splash pages are mainly miniature landing pages. Sometimes people are not allowed to link directly to affiliate offers, even if they cloak the URL under a shortener. So what you do is, to test it, you can create the splash pages. You don't have to go and create full landing page. And when you check that in the splash page, things are working really nicely, you can go and create a proper landing page and start sending traffic to it. So I have the shortened link here now, and you would be asking where you are going to promote this. Now that is the $1 million question, right? So to promote this, we are going to go to a website we all know, that is called Quora.com. Now please listen to what I am going to say next, because this is going to create complete passive income for you, but it will only happen if your account is not banned. Because if your account is banned on Quora, what is the point? You are not going to get traffic, right? All your questions will be removed, all your answers will be removed. So it is very, very, very important you follow things step by step, as I am going to teach you next. This is going to set you with the passive money, small recurring money all the time. So just to showcase, I am on one of my Quora's account now, and look at the views I have got throughout the lifetime for one question: how does one earn from blogging? That question alone has got 33k views. That means 2300 views from a single question. Do you think how many people would have clicked from that link? Single question. Forget about the upvotes and shares. Look at the views, man. The views that goes on Quora.com is insane. If I go and click here, it is ranked 88 in the world, and most of its traffic comes from US. 40% of the traffic comes from US. It is an excellent site. But the problem with Quora.com is they absolutely hate affiliate marketers. So you need to always clock the URL. Not only that, what you need to do next is just follow along. Now, you remember, these products are not live yet. So nobody is going to bother with these questions in the starting. So what you will do is, you will create Quora accounts. Okay, remember, Quora accounts. You click here, add a question, and you start asking question about Doodle Maker. Okay, it can be, do you think Doodle Maker is legit? Do you think Doodle Maker is justified the price? Do you think Doodle Maker is a very good alternative to VideoScribe? Do you think something or other? Just start making questions. And remember, after you make questions, you are going to answer from your different account. Okay. Now, I highly advise you create one Quora account for answer for one need. In this particular case, we can use a account which will be having needs as softwares. Okay. And remember, when you are answering a question, first 3 months you cannot have a link in that question. Remember, say it with me. It is very simple to follow. First 3 months, don't put a link outside Quora in any of the answers. First 3 months. Now you will ask, then how you are going to make money? You are going to embed the link in your own profile on Quora. And when you put the answer, you will put an answer, right? So when you put an answer at the end, you can say, please check out my profile to go to Doodle Maker. Okay, or something along the lines. And in your profile is not controlled by Quora. That means Quora is not bothered about what you write on your social profile. So make your Quora profile very attractive and put all the links there. And when I say put the links, please put the shortened links. Don't put the full links, because again it is an affiliate link. Quora will come back to you and smack you like a small kid. So please don't do that. Your accounts are and your links are your asset. You need to protect them. If you start spamming, it is not going to help anyone. Now what will happen? Quora has a very high domain authority. Domain authority is what you build over time. Quora has domain authority of 80 or 85. I will have to go and check. So it is somewhere between 80 and 85. So whatever you put on Quora is going to rank immediately on Google within a month. Now what will happen? Doodle Maker goes live and people will start asking for questions. Where will those questions get answered on Google? It will get answered on Quora. Now who asked those questions? You asked those questions. Who answered those questions? You answered those questions. Whose link will be clicked? It will be your link, and it is completely free of cost. But remember, to create this passive income, you need to be consistent and you need to be persistent. You need to try and work hard every day. This is not a get rich scheme, and you are not going to make money in a single day. You are not going to get rich in a single day. You need to work hard. It is just like any other business. Just think, when you go to college, you spend 2 or 3 years reading and studying there to get prepared to start making money somewhere for someone. So how do you expect in one day you make money and get rich and become Wesley Virgin or become John Cristani? That's not possible. But you start building your business just like any other business, and you save your assets, your Quora accounts, your links, your email list. These are all your assets. You need to protect them and you need to use them wisely. Don't spam anything. I don't promote spam at all. So now you have your question set up, your answer set up, and you just need to wait for the product to go live. There are even more places where you can promote your link before the product goes live. You can think about making a YouTube video. I will tell you in my next videos how you can do all that without even showing your face. Simplest way. And if you don't know how to answer these questions, then you can come to a website and search for something called like PLR articles. Just search for it. These articles, just click any of those websites. These articles are free of cost. They don't have any copyright issues. You can copy the content from here. Like, I know Doodle Maker is a competitor for VideoScribe, right? So its answers will be very similar to VideoScribe. Just copy one of the article and reword it for Doodle Maker and just post it as an answer. Remember, don't post one line, don't post two lines. Make a full-fledged article around 200 words, 300 words, and post it there so that you provide value to the user. Always provide value to the user. Higher the product cost, value you need to provide to your customer, because more value you provide, more trust you are going to build with the user. More trust you build, more money that guy will be ready to spend in the market when you promote a product. It is as simple as that, folks. Remember, making money online is simple, but making money online is not easy. You need to work hard. The harder you work, the faster will the results be. So I told you how to get the content for articles, content for your answers. Now remember, each and every answer that you put should also have a picture. It should have a nice GIF picture, or it can have a proper PNG good quality pictures. So how do you do that? For that, you use a website called Canva. Okay, I use Canva for almost everything, and Canva is complete drag and drop. You can create a design here. Let's say you start with Instagram story, anything, any size photo that you want, and there are so many templates free of cost that you can use, and you can edit each and everything. You can edit each and everything. You can edit from thousands of picture. You can put even a video there, and you can start uploading it. As simple as that. Now if you will ask, what do you do about those articles, because those PLR articles can have some grammar mistakes. You don't want to go and read all that, right? Don't worry, I'm going to help you out, and I'm going to tell you automatic way for everything, each and everything. So you are going to come on Grammarly. Let me open that. And this is one of the articles that I had copied from some PLR website long back. For example, let me make a couple of mistakes here. Yeah, see, you can click on it, unknown word, so fix it. So basically Grammarly will do full proofreading for you. It will let you edit comma, full stop, grammar mistakes, tense mistakes, any kind of English mistakes. It will let you fix automatically. You just click a button and it's gone. As simple as that. And then you can copy this and you can start pasting on Quora. I will tell you even simpler or even better way. Create templates for one kind of questions. So what is a template? Template is a full article that you create with a GIF and everything. Store it in your Google Drive. Okay. And for each answer that you are going to put, similar answer, just change one line here and there, a couple of words here and there, and start pasting those answers. As simple as that. Copy and paste, right? So once you build the template, you can start pasting same answers. Just change one line here and there, two lines here and there, couple of words here and there, and start posting them. As simple as that. So that's it for this video, folks. If you liked my video, please hit with the like button and please press it so that you can get notified whenever I create a new video and you don't miss out on any money making opportunities. Thank you.